everyone, welcome back to my daily English practice series. I am Yasmin and I am on a journey to become very fluent in speaking in English. I started this journey few days ago and this is my day 8 of practice. I practice every single day and I share my progress with you guys, and I also want to help others who also want to become very fluent in speaking in English. I hope you guys are doing well, and I just want to ask you how you guys are feeling in this extreme hot weather. And I hope you guys are enjoying all of those sweet mangoes and lychees. And I just want to tell you, if you really work hard in this extreme weather, please take rest when you need to and please drink enough water. And if you guys have any summer tips for us, please let us know in the comment section. And I am sorry guys, cause I promised you to share every day my progress, but I could not post yesterday cause we had a heavy rainfall in our area and my phone battery was almost dead, so I could not post. But today I am back on my track, so I will keep posting every single day. And I am sharing my progress every single day because I want to help others who also want to become very fluent, and it will really help you a lot. So if you are a beginner, you must watch this video. I want to repeat something. As I told you before, speaking really well in English is really important for me, especially as a small YouTuber, because I really want to reach global audience, so you guys from different countries can easily get my message, and it will help me to build a stronger connection between me and my viewers, and it will really help me to boost my confidence, like when I'm talking every single day in front of camera to my viewers. And it also helped me to improve my communication, and communication is really important in these days, and it will really help me to grow, like in future collaboration with other creators, and I can learn more about more cultures, make myself feel proud, like when I can see my own improvement every time. So I will keep practicing every single day. To be honest with you, I am doing best for improving my speaking, and as I told you before, I really get nervous while speaking in front of camera or in public place, and this is my day 8 of practice. Although I am making a lot of mistake, but I just want to tell you, I feel more confident today. If you watch my previous video, you can see the difference. I am practicing every single day, and I just want to tell you, if you really want to become very fluent in speaking in English, you have to do the same. And I know you are the one who also want to become very fluent in speaking in English. That's why you are watching this video. So I just have to tell you one thing, like if you really want to become very fluent, you have to practice every single day, because I used to watch a lot of videos and they really did not work for me until I start practicing. So you have to do the same. And I am telling you, I am from a village and my native language is Bengali. So most of the people around me always is speaking in Bengali, and even my family members always is speaking in Bengali. So this is really hard for me to find anyone whom I can practice. So if you think you really don't have anyone whom you can practice, so I have an idea. You can just talk by yourself or talk in front of a mirror when you are alone, and you can do a better thing, like you can open your camera or talk in front of it just for 5 to 10 minutes. If you are comfortable, you can post, or if you are not, please take your time and then post it. Your journey on YouTube, and I am telling you why posting on YouTube is really good for you, because when you speak in front of camera every single day to your viewers, it will make you more confident, and it will really help you to improve your communication, and it will really help you to reach global audience, so you can really grow, and it will make you more consistent to your goals. You can really get feedback from your viewers, so it will really help you to understand your mistake, and you can share your journey to others, and you can really motivate who also want to become very fluent in speaking in English. And this is a free platform, so you can just start with your phone. Then I just want to tell you one thing, if you really want to become very fluent in speaking in English, you have to practice every single day. No matter you post or not posting yet, but I have told you before, like I used to watch a lot of videos on YouTube, but they really did not work for me until I start practicing. So if you really want to become very fluent, you have to do the same. Like this is really working for me, and I hope it will work you for too. So if you really want to become very fluent, you have to practice, and please start from today. Please don't waste your time, because I really don't want you to the same mistake I did before. And please don't be so late, and I just want to tell you thank you so much for watching this journey. And if you really want to see my progress and want to be the part of this journey, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will post every single day, and I will post again tomorrow. So bye everyone.